welcome back to my channel, Bella's Beauty. So guys, we made it to 2,000 subscribers. I cannot believe that happened so fast. So really quickly, before we get into the client tutorial, I want to tell you guys what I'm giving away and what you have to do to win this box of goodies. So the first thing I'll be giving away is the full Zulu by Juvia's palette. This is one of my go-to palettes of the entire summer. You guys have seen it in my past videos. I will also be giving away 2 pairs of Your Lash Bar lashes. I found out about this lash company from Tiffany Soto. She's a fellow YouTuber. The first pair of lashes is in the style Mojito, and the second pair is in the style Hot Toddy. Next, I'm going to be giving away 4 Sephora collection sheet masks. I love sheet masks along with my skincare regimen. I feel that they really do help the skin and help all the other things that you're putting into your skin work a lot better. So we have the coconut and the algae purifying mask, and we also have the rose and mattifying mask with aloe. I will also be giving away 3 lip stories and 1 creamy lip stain. The colors in the lip stories are Brunch, Date, We, and Hot in Havana. These lip stories are only $8, probably the cheapest thing you'll buy in Sephora, but they are really great quality for the price of only $8. I'm also going to be giving away Mandarín Muse. Mandarín Muse is going away. It was one of my favorite creamy lip stains when it came out, but they are getting rid of it, and I already have 3 of them, so I figured I'd give this one away. It is brand new. All of this stuff is brand new, of course, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Next on the list, we have the 2-minute system from Dr. Dennis Gross. Alright, so to win this big box of goodies, all you have to do is 1, make sure you're already subscribed to me on YouTube. 2, follow me on Instagram, my business and my personal Instagram. I will link both of those here. 3, you're going to find this photo. You're going to hashtag _Bella Merlot 2K. And tag 2 friends, and that's about it. I will announce the winner on YouTube, on my Instagram, and on my Insta Stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, if you don't have your post notifications on, or if you miss it, you'll have 2 days to respond. If not, I will give the goodie bag, goodie box, whatever, to someone else. Make sure you guys show me love here on YouTube. Thanks for all of my subscribers who have been here since day 1. You guys are amazing, and I hope you guys enjoyed this client tutorial.
like dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1,000,000 bills. Where's my pen? Bitch, I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the Tula, I put rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving niggas wrong, I do what they say I can't. They call me Cardi, Cardi, banging body, spicy mommy, hot tamale, hot dinner, Molly, Virgo, Ferrari, hop up the stoop, jump in the coupe, big dip on top of the roof, flexing on bitches as hard as I can, eating halal, driving a lamb. So that bitch, I'm sorry though, got my coins like Mario. Yeah, they call me Cardi B, I run this shit like cardio. I'm the district in the chain.
Como me ve el culo la dominicana. Lo rico que me chinga la venezolana. Andamos activos, perico, pim, pim. Billetes de 100 en el maletín. Que retumbe el bajo y Valentín, yeah. Aquí prohibido mal, dile charitín. Que per pico le tengo claritín. Yo llego a la disco y se forma el motín.
No salgo de tu mente, donde quiera que viajes, escuchado mi gente. Ya no soy high, soy como el que está rosa. Soy el que se la vive y también el que la goza. Cosa es la cosa, mami es la cosa. El que mira su